For someone who has never heard of ketamine-assisted psychotherapy before, the way that I would explain it is an alternative approach to psychiatry, and it's an entirely different style of psychiatric medication, where what you're doing is teaching your brain new ways of thinking and new thought patterns versus taking a medication that you rely on every day. Certain things that ketamine therapy can really help with. I've seen a lot of success in cases where people are struggling with ruminative thoughts, or they're feeling stuck, or they're feeling like they're in a rut, or they're struggling to get past certain limiting beliefs. Or if they feel like anxiety is holding them back from the things that they want to do, or the things that they know maybe on some level that they should be doing. I've also seen amazing effects with ketamine helping to lift depressive moods, to help pull people out of depressive episodes. So in my experience as a ketamine therapist, I have seen people from all walks of life with drastically different mental health situations, and they've all really benefited in their own unique way from ketamine therapy. But a very common thread is that people report feeling fresh, feeling a new perspective, and just accessing thoughts that they didn't know they had before. Before you take the medicine in a ketamine session, you will meet with the therapist just to see how you're feeling that day, make sure you don't have any final questions, make sure you're ready to go. And then you will meet with our medical staff just to check that your bodily indicators are all looking good and that there's no safety risk for the medicine journey that day. So when the medicine journey begins, it feels very different to different people. Some people will experience visual sensations, some people will experience the physical sensation of calmness, but a common thread in most of the people that I work with is that they'll feel extremely calm, extremely peaceful, and their thoughts will feel very open, free-flowing, and objective. Sometimes it can feel like you're having a lucid dream, but you're in a very calm, peaceful, dreamlike state most of the time. It is possible for unprocessed memories to come up or for there to be some discomfort or challenges, but because your body is under the influence of ketamine, you're in a relaxed and safe environment. So even distressing material is not as distressing as it might be in a different situation. Something very important to consider with any mental health treatment, but very important for ketamine therapy, is the set and setting. And what makes Acheron's treatment so special is that we put a lot of careful attention into the set and the setting. What this means is making sure that you're in a safe and supportive environment that is comfortable, that you want to be in, and also making sure that your mindset is correct. So we put a lot of emphasis on the psychotherapy and the prep to make sure that your mental state is safe enough to go on a medicine journey. An integration session in ketamine therapy is really important, and it's one of the things that makes this treatment so unique. An integration session is a therapy session that you have after your medicine journey, where you sit with a trained professional, really a trained guide, and you help each other sort of make meaning of what happened. And you really extract the lessons and any insight that you possibly can from the medicine journey. And this is something that, you always could do it on your own, but it's deeply enhanced with the partnership of your therapist or of a skilled clinician. Really gets those insights deeply into your brain and helps you remember them and stick with them and carry them in your day-to-day life. So we're really doing a very deep therapy process that's just assisted with a new alternative type of medicine. It's really quality therapy work that's just being assisted with the cutting edge technology and innovations of psychiatry. And if you do have any questions, why don't you just give us a call? We're here to answer any questions you might have. We love talking about this medicine and this treatment, and we're happy to assist anyone that is thinking about getting their journey started.